Hello friends, this video I will show you how to use trim and split option in different videos. So let's start the video. My name is Sheikh and you are watching Denvo official channel. So let's get started. First, you have download any videos. I already download this video. Just select and drag into this layer. Now I shrink these videos. Then you can use split option to trim on middle side this video as your choice. I trim this video for this side and this side. I use trim option. Now I play cross looks and I split extra part of another video. You can easily split any part of video as your choice. You can also apply different transition of any part this video as your choice. Click slideshow option and click this one. Just drag into this place and drag this place. You can also apply cinematic option to make amazing this video. Click effect option and type cinema and just drag into upper layer and move to right side for this same position of second layer. Then I use render option to smooth playback this video. I play this video to how it looks. I hope you are enjoying this video. For more magic tips and tips, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.